Hello everybody, it's your boy Dayo, D-A-Y-O Dayo from Frunkla.com, Frunkla.com. So guys, if you're new on this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. And to my old subscribers, welcome back. Let's get this party started. Today I'd like to share with you guys what Tesla Giga Berlin is going to look like in the future once the construction is over. So this image is the first image I took 2 weeks ago when I got to this site. I mean, we can see a few cranes up, like 4 of them, caterpillar. I think this is where the construction workers are spending the night because guys, work is going on this site like every day. We can see the materials they are using for building the roads. And I think this is where the security guy probably spent the night. I haven't had any physical contact with anybody in this site. I mean, I just go there, park outside, take my picture with my mobile phone. And I have some images from some friends from Twitter that I would like to share with you guys, a close-up drone images, so stay with me. And this image is what I took like 30 kilometers away from Giga Berlin. Beautiful sunset, beautiful. I just couldn't resist not taking this. I mean, I had to take this image. I had to. It was so beautiful. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at that. This image is what my friend on Twitter is sharing, a closed-up drone image. You can see clearly how much work is going on. Here we can see some construction cranes and yeah, we can more or less see the cars where they are parked, the foundation going on, and yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful image, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, this is what Tesla CEO Elon Musk just shared on Twitter a few hours ago. Amazing closed-up image of Giga Berlin. I believe here is where the entrance is, the customer center, and here we can see some trucks bringing in raw materials. I think these are probably some workers, probably some customers here, you know, doing their thing, and the car park, and this amazing sunset at the background blows my mind. I mean, I have experienced, I saw this sunset few days ago, like 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks. I can tell you it was a beautiful experience. If this building is going to, if Giga Berlin is going to look as closer as this is looking, I mean, I don't even know what to say, guys. My mind is blown. All right. So on the rooftop, we can see some solar panels. Hopefully, this building is going to be powered by 100% renewable energy. I hope this is going to happen. Guys, I plan to keep this video as short as possible. I don't plan to do some blah blah blah. So this is it, guys. This is it. I'll be going there in 2 weeks time. I'll be following this project up till the construction is complete. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Like always, I remain your boy, D-A-Y-O Dayo from Frunkla.com, Frunkla.com. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.